Just arrived in Glasgow Central because I'm catching a first class train with Avanti Westcoast. Right, here we go, just arrived at the first class lounge. Right, so the time is 10:25. My train is at 11:36. Yeah, some nice selection of drinks there, so I'm just chilling. So I've got a bit to my train, bit of time to kill here. There's a wee board here for the departures. Okay, so obviously this is the Avanti Westcoast lounge. I'm travelling on the Pendolino, it's called, down to the Lake District from here in Glasgow Central. And we'll see how it compares to LNER so far, the lounge, compared to the LNER lounge. Much better in my opinion. It's much bigger, more modern. I'd say there's more selection of drink and food. But yeah, I'll kill some time here and before you know it, I'll have to go out to the platform. Right, so the board says ticket check-in operation, so I'm going to head out to the platform now. That was brilliant, sorted me right out. Been in there for about 2 hours. Right, here we go, platform 1. Check this out. That is well cool. So we've got 2 Pendolinos parked up here. So this one's mine. Right, this is us, Coach J.
This is the 11:36 Avanti Westcoast service.
Right, that's us. And we're off.
Any cold drinks?
I'll take an orange juice, please.
Yeah, with ice.
Without ice, please.
There you go.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
Yeah, is that with ice?
No,
Without.
that was really nice. I should come round with the meal service soon. And I'll get my order in. Right, thank you very much. Cheers. Right, got ourselves a menu. Here's what we got. So we're on the rest of the day menu. I think I'm going to go for a mushroom spinach brioche. We'll see how that is. So this train is going to London Euston, but also I'm getting off Penrith. Oh yeah.
Perfect, thanks.
Cheers. 120 miles an hour.
You were having the brioche bun?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Looks pretty nice. Some cutlery as well. Yeah. Right, let's give this a go.
Any cold drinks for you?
Could I take a Pepsi? So you got a black coffee?
Do that for you as well.
Thank you. That's fantastic. Just waiting on my coffee now. We've got 45 minutes left of this journey before we reach the Lake District.
Thank you.
Brilliant. Right, here's the coffee. Fantastic. That was brilliant food. It's really filled me up actually. So on this train there's 11 coaches. Out of the 11 there's 2 first class coaches and then the rest are just standard. This Pendolino train tilts when it goes round the corners, so it can go much faster than other trains. Every now and then when you go back round the bend you can feel the train moving to one side. Yeah, but so far the train's been really good. The food was absolutely amazing. The drink selection's amazing as well. Still got my coffee here. Lovely. Okay. 125 miles an hour through the English countryside. Wow. Right, this is us in Penrith. That was amazing. Thanks very much, cheers. Oh, it's soaking wet. I must have brought the Scottish weather with me. Hope you enjoyed that. That was brilliant, first class. If you have the chance, I definitely recommend it. And with that, as always, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.